Hello YouTube friends, wherever you are, see you again, Mr. Berryman Khan, from Eastern Indonesia. In this video, I will provide information about the identification of one of the plants, which is around us, a unique and fascinating wild plant. Its name is Athel Tamarisk. However, before I continue, for YouTube friends who have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel first, so that my channel can develop and be useful. Go ahead, watch the video. The plant is Athel Tamarisk. The botanical name is Tamarix aphylla. In class, Tamarisks or Tamariks. The common name are Athel tree, Athel pine, Athel salt cedar, Tamarisk, salt cedar. Scientific classification. Genus, Tamarix, Tamarisks, salt cedars. Family, Tamaricaceae, Tamarisk, Tamarix. Order, Caryophyllales, pinks, cacti, and allies. Class, Magnoliopsida, Dicotyledons, Dicos, Eudicos. Phylum, Tracheophyta. Vascular plants, seed plants, ferns, tracheophytes. Description: Athel Tamarisk, Tamarix aphylla, is an ornamental tree native to Africa and the Middle East, but which is commonly found growing in the southwestern United States. Its fine-grained wood is used for fuel and it produces a fragrant scent when burned. The light-colored wood has been used in making furniture and fence posts. It is an excellent shade tree and very fast-growing. It's salt-tolerant and drought-resistant.
Is the Athel Tamarisk an evergreen?
It is an evergreen tree.
Where is Athel Tamarisk native?
Athel Tamarisk is native to Africa and the Middle East.
Are Athel Tamarisk drought tolerant?
It's salt tolerant and drought resistant.
Does Athel Tamarisk grow fast?
It is an excellent shade tree and very fast growing.
Is Athel Tamarisk a firewood?
Its fine-grained wood is used for fuel and it produces a fragrant scent when burned. That's little information about the identification of one of the plants, which is around us, a unique and fascinating wild plant, Athel Tamarisk. If it's still not clear, please leave a message in the comments column, like and share if you like this video. Thank you for faithfully watching my video. Hopefully it's useful, and see you again in the next video. Greetings from Eastern Indonesia.